In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into Slack. Head over to Slack's website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your workspaces. Make sure to select the specific workspace where you want to share your files. This is important because each workspace can have different channels and users, and you want to make sure you're sharing in the right place. Now that you're in your chosen workspace, the next step is to open the channel or direct message where you want to share the file. Look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your workspace name. Click on that to reveal your channel list. Find the specific channel or chat you want to use and click on it. Once you open the channel, you'll see the familiar message text field at the bottom. This is where all the magic happens. Next, let's get to the fun part, uploading the file. Just below that message text field, you'll notice a plus sign, which looks like this. Go ahead and click on that icon. A menu will pop up. From this menu, you want to select the option that says Upload from your computer. A File Explorer window will open up, allowing you to browse through your device. Find the file you want to send, select it, and then click Open. Your file will start uploading to the channel. Once your file is uploaded, it's always nice to add a bit of context for your teammates. So go ahead and type any optional notes, comments, or captions in the text box. This could be a brief description of what the file is or any important details the team needs to know about it. When you're ready, simply hit that send button, and voila! Your file is now posted in the channel for everyone to see. But wait, there's one more thing I want to mention, and this is optional. Once your file is uploaded, you can share it further. Click on the file itself to bring up some options, and you'll see a share icon. Click on that. Now you can type in specific names or email addresses to grant access to particular individuals. If you prefer to share the file through another platform, you can click on the Copy Link option. This will copy the link to the file, and you can then paste it into an email or another messaging app. Alternatively, you can click on Forward to complete the process of sharing.